Welcome to the course Java Debugging with Visual Studio Code, the ultimate guide. Debugging is a craft. It's a difficult skill to master, and believe me, there are not many people in the industry who actually have the skill. I have arranged the course using the following sections: basic debugging features, advanced debugging features, practice activities for simple debugging problem scenarios, and practice activities for advanced debugging problem scenarios. At the beginning, we will start with Java and VS Code setup. We will learn how to set up the VS Code editor using the extension pack for Java. We will learn how to import a Maven-based sample project into VS Code and how to set it up. Then, under basic debugging section, we will understand how to place breakpoints in a code, how to control the program flow during debugging using features like continue, step in, step out, step over, how to inspect the variables during debugging, how to use conditional breakpoints, how to configure and use exception breakpoints, how to debug Lambda and stream-based operations, how to debug JUnit test cases, performing local and remote debugging for Spring Boot applications. Apart from that, under advanced debugging, we will learn how to run and debug Java-based web applications in Tomcat, run and debug Spring Boot applications inside Docker containers using Dockerfile as well as Docker Compose. We will also set up a local Kubernetes cluster and debug our application in the local Kubernetes cluster itself. Not only that, we will create a remote GKE cluster, a Kubernetes cluster in Google Cloud, deploy our application over there and perform remote debugging in remote Kubernetes cluster. We will also explore the remote development extension pack and VS Code and see how to debug Java code using the remote SSH from VS Code. Apart from this, I have two dedicated sections for simple and advanced practice activities with simple and advanced problem scenarios and their hands-on solutions. To boost up your productivity, you must master the craft of Java debugging by going through the simple and advanced debugging features and also going through the practice activities provided in the course. Stop wasting your time by debugging the old way, rather than learn the new and better techniques by going through the different lessons in the course. Master the craft of debugging and increase your productivity as a whole. One important update here, I am going to include the course URL along with the discount coupon. These coupons may expire, but I'll provide you the contacts to connect with me so that in case you need any discount coupons, you can reach me over there. That's all from my end for now. Thanks to all.